Draw easy. Today, we are going to draw an adorable duckling. Let's start with its two big, cute eyes, then draw its tiny beak in the shape of its face. Next, we will draw its fluffy little body and two small feet. Now, I will use thicker strokes to make the drawing stand out even more. It's time to bring our duckling to life with colors. I will use orange for its feet and beak. Red for the tongue, sky blue for the eyes, and a bright yellow for its soft, fluffy body. And there you have it, our cute little duckling is complete. It looks amazing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.